Between two buns. They are a popular fast food. McDonald's sells 75 of them every second. Have you guessed what we are talking about? Burgers. UK even has a National Burger Day on August 22nd. Here are some interesting facts about our favorite cheesy delight. A burger, originally known as hamburger, is a sandwich made with a cooked patty between two slices of bun bread. Besides its cheese-filled center, some common ingredients found in a burger include mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, tomatoes, onions, and lettuce. The hamburger is believed to be invented in 1900 by Louis Lasson in Connecticut, USA. The term hamburger originates from Hamburg in Germany. This yummy treat was inspired from a German preparation of meat patties called hamburger steaks.